would like to talk about the nonfiction essay called A Modest Proposal, written by Jonathan Swift in 1729. And I want to make a summary of the essay and then analyze the text with focus on the communication, make a short characterization of the language, and then compare A Modest Proposal with the appropriation of cultures. Okay. In the essay, A Modest Proposal, a proposal is presented. It is a proposal for a solution to the problem that there is a number of Irish children which future seems hopeless. In the 18th century, poverty was a rising problem, and Jonathan Swift arguments for that it is not only children by beggars who has a problem later on, but generally children by disadvantage. The children are forced to grow up in a criminal set, which means that most of the children will get hooked on criminality. Jonathan Swift arguments in other words for social heritage. Jonathan Swift's solution to the problem is to let the Irish women sell their children when they are about 1 year old. And in the end of the essay, Jonathan Swift mentions that no other possibilities exist, and that an advantage by this solution is that the number of Catholics will be reduced. A Modest Proposal is clearly a satirical essay with a serious topic. In A Modest Proposal, you can argue for several primary and secondary audiences, but as the text criticizes how the Irish are treated by the Englishmen, as reader you would assume that the English upper class are the primary audience, while the Irish are the secondary audience. Jonathan Swift has written the essay because of the condition with the suppression of Irish and Catholics. For instance, they were not allowed to export their products, but were forced to buy English products. Jonathan Swift uses satire in his essay to express how absurd the situation is. Jonathan Swift wants people to know how absurd it is that no one does anything to reduce the poverty. And I have a quote. These mothers, instead of being able to work for their honest livelihood, are forced to employ all their time in strolling to beg sustenance for their helpless infants, who, as they grew up, either turned thieves for want of work. And it was page 60, lines 8 to 11. Jonathan Swift managed to use all three appeal forms throughout the essay. He uses eaters when he uses a friend as an example. And I have a quote. I have been assured by a very knowing American of acquaintance in London that a young healthy child, well nursed, is at a year old a most delicious, nourishing and wholesome food. And that is page 60, lines 38 to 40. Jonathan Swift uses pathos because he uses the children as an example, which hits the reader's connection to children suffering. And he uses logos when he proposes idea as logical. Jonathan Swift claims that the solution to the poverty is that eating children will solve the problem. Jonathan Swift uses formal language in his essay. It is a serious text, though he does not use suggestions, but moral to clarify his opinion of the problem. When he clarifies his opinion, Jonathan Swift uses I a lot, which makes the essay subjective. And I have chosen to compare A Modest Proposal with the Appropriation of Cultures. And the Appropriation of Cultures is a satirical short story. It is written by Percival Everett in 1966. The Appropriation of Cultures is about a boy called Daniel. As a reader, you don't get to know if Daniel is black or white, but as reader you must assume that he's black because of the short story's situation. The short story was written when racism in America was reduced, and it is clearly to see when Daniel buys a truck from a white couple who are embarrassed of the flag of the Confederate States of America, which is on the truck. A Modest Proposal and The Appropriation of Cultures are equal in the way that both texts are about an ethnicity that is looked down at. In A Modest Proposal, it is the poor Irish which is looked down on, while it is the black in The Appropriation of Cultures. Both A Modest Proposal and The Appropriation of Cultures are texts that deal with a serious topic in a humorous way. A difference between the two texts is that in The Appropriation of Cultures, the black Daniel takes control in the story, while the Irish does not get the chance in A Modest Proposal.